everyone, Paul from TechZenik here. In this lesson of Python, we'll be learning about logical operators. Logical operators are used to include multiple conditions in a condition statement. For instance, let's define a variable here called age. And we'll set the age to 21. We can use the AND operator to check if age is greater than 20 and if the age is less than 25. If that's the case, we're going to print age is between 20 and 25. The AND operator checks if both the conditions are true. If both are true, then this statement becomes true as well. If any of these statements are false, then it returns false. Right now, this statement is true, so we print age is between 20 and 25. However, let's make one of these arguments false. Let's set the age to 26. Age is greater than 20, so this statement is true, but now we're also checking if age is less than 25. That is false because age is 26, which is greater than 25. So we have true and false. Since one of the conditions is false, this whole statement becomes false. So when I run this code, no print statement will be printed to the console. The next operator is the OR operator. Unlike the AND operator, where it checks if both conditions are true, the OR operator only checks if one condition is true. I'm going to comment out this code and make a new statement. And I'm going to set age to 70. In this OR statement, we're going to check if age is greater than 65 or if age is less than 18. We're going to print age is not between 18 and 65. So when we compare age here at 70, age is greater than 65, that's true. And then we also compare if age is less than 18. 70 is not less than 18, so this statement is false. However, this one is true. But since we're using the OR operator, it only checks if one of these statements is true. Since it's true, we're going to print this statement to the console. Perfect. Next, the final operator is the NOT operator. To use the NOT operator, we simply write the word NOT followed by parentheses. If age is not greater than 65, we're going to print age is not a senior. And let's change our age to something like 40. Now, since age at 40 is less than 65, this whole statement here becomes false. However, the not argument in front changes a false to a true. So when we run this statement becomes true. Thank you for listening. See you guys in the next lesson.